Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into Fitbod, the workout app that claims to create personalized fitness plans just for you. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First up, the setup is super easy. You plug in your fitness goals, available equipment, and current experience level, and boom, it builds a customized workout plan. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and here's what I've learned. What I love, the app's recommendations are genuinely smart. It tracks your progress and automatically adjusts to keep things challenging. Let's say you hit the gym 3 times a week, Fitbod got you covered with fresh routines each session. The exercise library is also detailed with demos that are super helpful, especially if you're trying something new. Now, on to the not so great stuff. While the app is fantastic for gym goers, it's not ideal for those who prefer bodyweight or minimal equipment workouts. Also, the subscription cost might be deal breaker. For some, it's about $79.99 a year. That's reasonable for what it offers, but there are free alternatives out there. So, is Fitbod worth it? If you are serious about strength training and want an app that takes the guesswork out of planning, I would say absolutely yes. But if you're on a budget or workout without much equipment, it might not be the perfect fit. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.